So let's talk about this Hoover Clean Slate fabric and carpet cleaner that we have right here. It's actually an amazing product and is able to clean any kind of fabric or even carpet if there's stains in them. I want to take you along with the journey of me cleaning my couch that you see that I'm sitting on right here because of this little puppy right here. So let's plug this in, get to work, and at the end, I'll talk to you a little bit more about the product. And that's it. That's how simple it was to use this Hoover Clean Slate fabric and carpet cleaner. I was able to clean the couch behind me within about 45 minutes. It's a very powerful little appliance that I know that I can make sure if there's any stains on this fabric, this is going to take off. The hose itself is about 4.5, maybe 5 foot long. You do have a head that has a quick detach mechanism. So you're able to either use it like this or change it for a different head so you could get closer to those corners. Now, another thing I did like about this was that the cord itself was extremely long. Throughout the whole process of me cleaning my couch, I did not have to move outlets once. The hopper disconnects from the unit itself, so that way you could go ahead and put the solution inside it. I used half white vinegar and the other half warm water with a couple droplets of dish soap. And then, of course, here is the hopper that will hold all that disgusting mess that you suck out of your couch, fabric, carpet, whatever it might be. It holds it right here. Does a fantastic job. This is the end result. The couch behind me, I had to fill up the hopper 3 times. And here is all the dirty, muddy, disgusting water that I don't even care to know what exactly it is. And lastly, there's bristles on the front head right here that is able to then clump up hair, and then on the bristles, make sure that it doesn't go into the system and you're able to pluck it off right here. Overall, this Hoover Clean Slate fabric and carpet cleaner is a must for anybody that wants to make sure they have a clean couch, floor, chair, you name it. If it's got fabric, this is going to clean it. Go out, grab yours today. Thanks again for watching, and good luck for your purchase.